Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to request for statement regarding the escalating cases of elephants invasions in Kitui County. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44-2C, I wish to request for statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Tourism and Wildlife regarding the escalating cases of elephants invasion in parts of Kitui County. Honorable Speaker, the residents of Makuka, Ilamba, Engamba, Kitumwi, and Gali sublocations in Kitui County have for the last 5 years endured frequent invasions by elephants straying from Savo East National Park and Kora Game Reserve into villages and farmlands. The situation has become increasingly dire, posing a serious threat to the livelihoods and safety of the affected communities. The recurring invasions have also resulted in the destruction of crops that are the main source of food and income for the local households. The elephants have also damaged homes and other properties, forcing residents to spend sleepless nights guarding their farms and living in constant fear of attacks. Honorable Speaker, the situation turned tragic last month when a stray elephant killed a lady, Ms. Kavita Maivia, in Kasala area. This unfortunate incident has heightened anxiety among residents who now fear for their lives. Despite numerous reports to the relevant authorities over the years, the response has largely been reactive and inadequate, leaving affected communities vulnerable to continuous loss of life, destruction of property, poor food security, and economic hardship. Honorable Speaker, it is against this backdrop that I seek a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Tourism and Wildlife on the following. Number one, immediate and long-term measures being taken by the ministry and the Kenya Wildlife Services to address elephants invasion in farms and settlements. And number two, status of compensation for the family of Ms. Kavita Maivia, as well as compensation for farmers and households that have suffered loss of crops, property, and other damages resulting from elephant invasions over the past 5 years. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you.